This is your reading for today. Your cards are Hierophant and Eight of Cups. You have successfully unlocked a path where you have ticked all the check boxes of societal expectations, perhaps your expectations also, that this is what life should be. Material abundance, a good job, a good career, stability, structure, taking vacations with the family, the education, a house, a property, and you have ticked all the check boxes over there. And you have been walking this path for a while. And but the more that you have kept walking this path, somewhere inside you, you have felt as if you have become disconnected from yourself. And despite that, everything is fine, and you have unlocked everything with that one key. Your soul is empty and disconnected, and while everything is anchored in your external world, it does not feel anchored in your inner world. Why is this happening? See, most likely this is happening because you've kept walking a particular path for a very long time. And I am not saying that you have not invested in yourself. You have invested in your own growth also. Perhaps you're studying, perhaps you're learning, right? But you see, there is a particular role that is there for you where you have to rise into the position of a mentor or a guide, which you might be. But it is mostly in, like, a corporate, a business, an office kind of a role, where you are the boss or the head or a team leader guiding people. Now, that same kind of mentoring or the mentorship needs to come into a role which is driven by your soul. To bring that into your outer world, you have to first alchemize your connection with yourself. And that is the place where you are feeling the most disconnected, which is why, the path that you have been walking makes you feel as if you are disconnected from yourself, because you need to create that mentoring or the mentorship or the higher leadership role for your inner self in finding your own true path. You have found the path that society has prescribed, but you have not shown the same commitment, routine, and dedication to finding your own path. It's like, you're so caught up in this external world that you think that that path, the one that will bring me alchemy into my inner world, peace in my inner world, connection with myself, that I will do later. And you are forever dissatisfied. Do it now. Find your own true path. Later it is now.